Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review, swatch, and tutorial on the Artist Couture Diamond Lip Tease Lip Gloss in the particular shade Le Freak, which is one of the 5 shades to choose from. I purchased mine at Sephora. It retails for $18 for 0.20 ounces of product, which is a lot for a lip gloss. And here's the applicator. It is so nice and very high quality in my opinion. It is such a specific, precise shape where you can apply it so easily, and the tip is so flexible that is super amazing in my opinion as well. And let's go ahead and talk about it. It is a luxurious high shine gloss infused with diamond-like pearls. This shade in particular is a mauve with magenta and gold pearls. It has ingredients like hemp seed oil, which moisturizes, and it is very moisturizing. And it is free of parabens, formaldehydes, formaldehyde-releasing agents, phthalates, and coal tar. This product is also vegan and cruelty-free, which is amazing. And personally, it feels very lightweight. It looks so beautiful and thick, but it doesn't feel thick in my opinion. It feels very minty and just perfection, like butter, and still in place though, and it lasts a long time. I used this right before a wedding I went to, and I absolutely love it, and I'm going to try all the shades. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you on any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.